Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Oh, fuck, you won.
Spotted a
Harassing?
Republic prowler.
Revenge me?
Revenge me.
Yeah, no fool.
Yes, you did.
Someone put a beacon down so we can fucking check.
Oh, fuck, I got ran over.
I got ran over. Oh, I see him, I see him.
Yeah,
Got
three
eyes, got
shadow.
eyes.
3784 tanks on Alpha Way.
No, don't fire, don't fire.
Yeah, I
fucking
mean,
visual
I
on
fought
the prowler.
74 harassers.
74 tanks and Sunderers on
They're gonna
Alpha.
come up to us. Come to me, come to me, come to me. They're gonna come up to my location on the cliffs. Most of it's going all the way across.
Yeah, I thought
Irish
we were gonna
Insanity's low.
die.
Spotted a Republic prowler.
Irish Insanity's lit. Stevie, they're running to the north. Masick, were you able to save the tank?
No,
Okay.
it was on fire anyway.
There's one less
Yeah.
prowler.
Stevie, if you stay on the bridge, you probably will be able to hit
Enemy
him off at
prowler.
Hopeswell.
Prowler.
I
Spotted.
like how I got in the driver's seat and
Spotted
all I
an
see
enemy
is 3
transport.
tanks.
Yeah.
Enemy transport spotted.
There they are. No, 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 fucking gunner! What the fuck, dude? Oh my god. Why is he
Who
doing
did you
this?
gotta see?
It's a fucking blueberry. Should I just kick him out?
Eyes on hostile
I
transport.
need
Wow.
more DPS.
Oh, you're still over there.
Eyes on
Yeah,
hostile
come up,
transport.
come up here. Come up to Pummel Gardens. I'll spawn on the bus up here.
Pop, 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 pop. I'm on my way.
I'm harassing them over here. Harassing the harassers.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Just a tap.
Just the tip.
Visual on a
They're
TR
in a
prowler.
link area. Oh, they're both.
Alright, don't
Eyes on
shoot until we
hostile
get
transport
close.
vehicle.
They're at the beach.
They're focusing on me right now.
They
Don't
shadow.
fucking shoot, gunner. God damn it.
Fuck
Pick
me!
up-
Spotted a Republic prowler.
Alright, keep going towards 74. Don't worry about me. Get in your fucking tanks and go towards 74.
There you go.
I did an enemy prowler.
I got
If they
you.
spot us, start firing.
Broly, Ev.
Prowler.
Open
spotted.
fire! Don't let them escape!
It's 4 harassers and 2 prowlers.
Alright, harass us
Nice.
to the east. Turn around. East, east, south.
Enemy transport spotted.
Get close to them. Don't let them get distance.
Enemy transport vehicle in the area.
Watch out for the C4.
Spotted an enemy transport. I need a ride.
One dropped.
Got him.
Good kill,
Nice,
good kill.
Nice, nice. One's over on the right.
Oh, I nearly hit the Mozzie. He's fucking running.
Yeah, but he's got nowhere to
Enemy
go.
transport
If he
spotted.
goes onto the water, he's gonna be a sitting duck.
He can't go under the water. He's a fucking harasser.
On the water.
No.
He's in the
Oh
water.
boy.
Fuck, I shot in the water. Come here, bitch! Come here, bitch!
Got him. It's VS territory. Right by the
Seven
little gate.
7-4 located
What
AKI
continent is it on?
Oh shit.
Oh,
Hey,
sure.
oh, sure! Hey, hey,
Oh,
where's
shit.
what the fuck? What the fuck
You
is
guys-
Wellerman? It's a
You guys
pilot
think
song.
you guys think that I know what the fuck are on Oshur or
Spotted a
Emmerich?
Republic prowler.
No.
Enemy transport spotted.
Dude, what? Do you know what the song Wellerman is?
All I know is it
What?
sucks.
It's a. Do you know what genre it is?
It's a sea shanty.
Something
Yeah.
that you like.
It's a sea shanty. So that what are sea shanties for? Pirates. And
You
where
think
are
that I can
pirates
hear
located?
everybody in Alpha Squad, but they're too retarded to press platoon.
Hey, Dory.
I'm not.
Okay, I'm not a pirate.
I'm not gonna calm down, but he should use his
Hostile fighter in the area.
hole.
Well,
Not a
they should learn how to
pirate.
press their other keyboard buttons. See, mouse
We
control.
can all yar har fiddly doo. We are pirates.
You know what? Fuck all you guys. I got Spectre. I don't need any of you.
Oh, what pictures?
I'm fucking dead. I'm
Remember the
fucking flipping. There's no way I don't
transaction?
flip.
I wanted
What?
the
What pictures?
What?
look in general. I simped for nothing.
Oh, who's gonna get the kill? Who's gonna get the kill?
Fort Promise Spectre some gay pictures.
You didn't ask for
Okay.
any fucking pictures in that. You just. You.
What?
Boy.
You lied.
Alright.
You want me to show you the chat?
Yeah, show me the chat. Bring up your lawyer. Let's go. I'll sue you. I'll sue
No,
you.
no, please.
You do know we can
Mosquito
go across that water bridge there and go up behind 784.
That's the direction that TR Zerg is heading.
Yeah.
Well, too bad.
Are you in the water, sir? Oh, you
Enemy
are?
transport vehicle in the area.
Way harassing.
At least slightly expect it.
Realize you guys are still fellas.
Where I'm hitting.
Airframe are you running on that web?
IG.
They're all running to push it back now.
Oh god, that's a lot of mosquitoes. Ah, thank you, friendly NC.
You're welcome.
No.
What's down?
Mosquito in the area.
That's on random.
Oh, I think we're out to die, I think.
I hit him once.
Galaxy coming
It's... Ouch. It's running time.
Public mosquito.
I hit that lib once. It's on you.
Mosquitoes on me.
I watched Boots slam into the fucking ocean trying to hit somebody. One of these fucking reavers that was underwater.
There's a bunch of armor over here.
Thorax mosquito
Across this bridge.
shooting hornets at me and his rain gun. And he's not hitting. I redeployed!
That's the only people who fly. It's good flyers.
Oh, I can't believe I redeployed out of that. He was practically touching me.
Enemy transport spotted. Eyes on hostile transport vehicle. I owe you.
Crap, I was bullying him. Oh god.
Enemy transport vehicle in the area.
Oh god, that's
I need to fix this. This needs to be that.
Spotted an enemy transport.
Need to pull another ammo bus. 7 out of 25, by the way.
Headshot. I need a ride.
Oh no! They're shooting people at me!
Visual and hostile light assault.
No! Lendl shot himself at me with fucking light assault.
Eyes on hostile transport vehicle.
Nice one, Blaster. Oh, poor Max is in that tower.
Identified a Republic mosquito. Visual on the mosquito.
Can you have like minor cloak on a max unit?
Fly swatter.
Enemy transport vehicle in the area.
I'd actually like to win this fight.
Fly swatter.
Same guy. Get another don't round.
I got you. I need to revives anyways. Come here, come here.
Visual
Oh,
hostile
no, I
light
was
assault
just a
trooper.
second delayed.
Enemy light assault in the area.
Enemy max.
Took him out.
Headshot.
Enemy max spotted.
Rip. The crawler got me, finally.
Hostile max identified. I've got hostile light assault trooper spotted. Eyes on hostile light assault trooper. Enemy max.
Headshot.
God damn. Ew. No, they got my bus.
Accuracy. Killing spree.
How many reses do I have left? 2 reses. One healer shield experience. Oh god.
Oh no, I think I'm all set with that. That's all that.
Double kill.
the ground. Burn the heat from this fucking mosquito.
Identified a Republic mosquito. Got that mosquito. Could use a ride.
reload.
Hey, if you could stay still long enough, we can shoot ourselves over with the Corsair.
Hold on, I
Well,
just
good,
had
we
to
connected.
kill a Corsair.
Yeah, we're gonna lose Viridian Beach.
Fucking blaster. I was busy, man.
I'll repair you.
Bullshit.
I was driving the boat. I couldn't stop. I pressed KY and it didn't work. And then I just accepted something dumb and useless.
I think it's more likely that we take Viridian.
Eyes on hostile transport vehicle.
Alright. We just have to go
96
to
plus Cirque backing them up though, so. Hey, watch out. There's that belt again. Oh, it's a different belt.
Yo, there's a friendly Valkyrie going over there, so. Where am I? Who am I? Where am I?
These hurt pretty bad. You got a blaster. There you go. You got it. Got him.
Holy shit, libs are so fast with their turbo underwater.
On their bus. That's their spawn bus way up on the cliff.
Enemy liberator in the area.
Valkyrie.
It's almost down. Wait, no.
Oh.
Got the bus. Mosquitoes. Dervish.
Fucking dervish melted me.
Including the people who have fucked off to... Oh, that's just you.
Well, no one's on the point right now.
Okay, no one will be on the point. And then they will
I'm
be
on the point.
One color down. Oh, nice. Gonna see for the other asshole.
Oh, what the fuck? My drop pod's out of control.
Dude, you're going to the ocean.
They got a fucking invis bus here.
Hostile lightning tank spotted.
Too late, we took the
That
base.
new means a hostile takeover.
Get the bus.
I need help. There's a lightning.
Right.
I keep just trying to run me over.
Come in.
I
7
need
seconds.
adult.
I need an adult. I'm an adult.
Triple kill.
Yeah! Yes! Got my Harassing plating and got a triple kill at the same time. Ah, victory.
Nice.
Good shit.
Pixar, it's not real.
Interesting.
Could also do your Galaxy Arax.
Oh yeah, I could do my Galaxy Rex. Jeez. Gross. Learn to squish people.
Pretty sure just about everybody in this Discord would help with that. At least everybody who
Pretty much.
plays.
Learn to plan a galaxy better.
I'd say going for gun kills, air kills, squad spawn, ram kills, and pilot assist is probably the easiest way to RX.